Fix Instagram story bad quality upload. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how to fix bad quality uploading on Instagram. First you have to open your Instagram app and click your profile icon on the bottom bar, and then click these three lines on the top right corner and then choose settings and privacy. Now here you have to scroll down until you see this option of media quality. Click this option, it's under your app and media. Once you click this, make sure that use less mobile data is turned off, it's gray, and then click upload at highest quality into blue. Just by clicking it, you can change it into blue color and just toggle it on. That's how you upload at highest quality, and after uploading it won't be in bad quality. Just make sure use less mobile data is turned off and upload at highest quality is turned on. That's how you fix bad quality upload on Instagram. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.